Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, September the 5th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, I've read a Russian spy is killed. Yeah, shot dead. Not a human, but a beluga. Half whale, half dolphin. It's trained by the Russians, and I think they've killed the dolphin. Sad story. Anyway, let me start with the 3 star Sudoku. This will be number 9214. No, correction, 9215, I believe. Let me check this. 9215, I believe. No, 9214. Correct. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. It's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 9 in the last column? 9 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left on 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between, second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third, last row, no 4 there, 4 in the row above, no 4 there, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2. 7, 8, 9. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. That means 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left with 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, 8, 5. 2, 8, 5. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Here we have 3 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. Okay. Then let me see. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5. Okay. 5, 5. And I need a 1, 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here are 2 in that column, no 2 there. So the only place number 2 should be there. So the 7 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those. Okay. Need a 1 and I need a 5. 5, 5. Okay. Then let me see. 5 in the first column. 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And here can be 5, we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the only place left with 5 in this column should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left then, the 1 and 2, okay. We have a 2 in this big square, so can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. 1 box left in this column for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 1 should be there. Here, 1, 8, 9. And look, we have 1 and 8 in the middle column, so no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 9 then. Okay. 9, 9. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. Then, let me see. We have a 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 2 should be there. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Then. Need an 8 there. Need a 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 in these two boxes. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in this big square. Should be there. 7, 9. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left with 2 should be there. 7, 3, and then 9. We have 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left with 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for number 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the last row for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and then 9. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Here are 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about the 8? How about the 9? 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, still come next. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 and 8. 1, 2. Need a 5 here. I need a 5 in this row. Here can be 5. We have 5 in this column. No 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for number 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left with the 6 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left with 3 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, quick one to solve. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 Star Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.